Alright, so pretty much anytime you're sanding, put a mask on. These holes are supposed to line up, but this paper that comes from Harbor Freight does not really line up that well. That's for the dust pickup, so you may have a little excess dust. This is your on-off switch. And let's just do the quick run to hear what we get. 1 second. So not so bad. I'm using 100 grit. The reason I'm using 100 is because I don't want to have too much filing in this bumper. 80 grit tends to leave some more marks. Trying to get these bumper plate holes down. I got a few of them down. This one's a little high. I'm gonna have to use a file for that. So far it's doing its job. It's working. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick review on that. Got a lot of scratch marks, as you can see, and rock chips, so I'm just prepping it before I wrap it, because I'm not going to wrap it with this type of damage. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'll catch you on the next one.